now let's create output file. What output we need? Like we need public IP of Bastion. So we need public IP of NFS server and we need public IP of load balancer. We need the details when Terraform script executes and resources are created. So we'll create output file. Let's start output. Yeah, let's start. Bastion public IP. Description. The Bastion instance public IP. Value would be AWS instance Bastion public IP. Yeah, it will print public IP when the instance got created. So that's how we want. NFS server also we want. We want for load balancer also. So we have, right? Yeah, this is the output file which we will be creating. Yeah, we don't need private IPs, right? We need private IPs? We don't need private IPs of master or worker. We don't need it. And you will not be SSHing directly into masters or worker, right? We'll be going through Bastion, so we don't need it. That's all.